Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, is used in an emergency if someone is not breathing normally, or their heart has stopped in situations like heart attack. You should do the following steps to perform a PCR accurately. Check the scene for safety, form an initial impression and use personal protective equipment, PPE. Always remember, your safety is important. If the person appears unresponsive, check for responsiveness, breathing, life-threatening bleeding or other life-threatening conditions using shout tap shout. Look for abdominal movements while listening for breathing sound. If the person does not respond and is not breathing or only gasping, call for ambulance and get equipment, or tell someone to do so. Place the person on their back on a firm, flat surface. Start giving 30 chest compressions. 2 hands should be centered on the chest. Body position, shoulders directly over hands, elbows locked. Depth of compression should be at least 2 inches. Rate should be between 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Allow chest to return to normal position after each compression. 6th step, give 2 breaths. Open the airway to a past neutral position using the head tilt or chin lift technique. Ensure each breath lasts about 1 second and makes the chest rise. Allow air to exit before giving the next breath. You can use resuscitation bag and mask if you have, instead of using the mouth. Continue giving sets of 30 chest compressions and 2 breaths, until the ambulance arrive. Use an automated external defibrillator as soon as one is available.